المبعوث الأمريكي الخاص لليمن تيم ليندركنج يتحدث عن التصعيد الحوثي في البحر الأحمر وانعكاسات ذلك التصعيد على عملية السلام في اليمن.
Is there a US strategy, a clear US strategy to curb such Iranian involvement?
It's very important for Yemenis to understand that this type of behavior from the Houthis is not helping Yemen.
Why is that 30-day delay?
And so there is a way forward. The UN has a roadmap.
Your worst fear, Mr. Lindnerking, seems to have become a reality, hasn't it?
There's no desire on the part of the United States to harm the Yemeni people. On the contrary, we think it's the actions of the Houthis that are harming the Yemenis. Yemenis are tired of the war in Yemen. It's taken way too many lives.
يأتيكم في الأوقات التالية.